In this video, we'll move on to step 2 of writing our essay, which is to find the examples that support our claim. To do this, we will need to read the article to gather our examples and our text evidence. So while we're reading, we'll be trying to look for examples or reasons why gorillas are endangered. We can see in step 2 that there are 2 reasons why gorillas are endangered. So we're going to look for 2 different reasons. And when we come back to write our examples, we should be using the words gorillas are endangered in our answers, in our sentences that we put in step 2. Let's read the article now. Endangered Species, the Gorilla by Newsela. We can see this is a male western lowland gorilla lost in thought. Paragraph 1. The gorilla is an intelligent land animal. It is the largest living primate. Primates include monkeys, chimpanzees, and even humans. All gorillas have small ears, wide noses, and faces without any hair. Gorilla fur is brown, gray to black. Male gorillas are 5 to 5.7 feet tall. They weigh 300 to 500 pounds. Female gorillas are 5 feet tall. They weigh between 200 and 250 pounds. Gorillas move around during the day. They search for plants to eat. During the wet season, they eat fruit. During the dry season, they eat vegetables and herbs. At night, gorillas build nests in trees or on the ground. Here we have the gorilla fact card. The scientific name is gorilla and gorilla buringae. Its range is Central and Western Africa. You can see the dark spots here on the map. It's a mammal, and its height is 5 to 5.75 feet tall, and its weight can be between 200 to 500 pounds. It's an herbivore, which means it only eats plants, and it's critically endangered. Fun fact. Adult male gorillas over the age of 12 are called silverbacks because the hair on their backs turns from black to gray. Paragraph 4. Gorillas are very social animals. They like to stick together. They form groups of 5 to 10 members. A group is made of an older male and several females and their young. Young males leave the group when they reach age 11. They form their own groups instead. Young females also leave around age 8. Young gorillas stay with their mothers for up to 3 years. But almost half of all young gorillas die. Life is dangerous for a young gorilla. But those that survive youth can live more than 40 years. Scientists divide gorillas into 2 species. The first species is the western gorilla. There are 2 types of this species, western lowland and the cross river gorilla. The other species is the eastern gorilla. This species has 2 types. There are eastern lowland gorillas and mountain gorillas. Habitat and population. Gorillas prefer living in forests. This land is called their habitat. The eastern lowland gorilla lives in the Congo. There are between 3,000 and 5,000 eastern lowland gorillas. The mountain gorilla is found in the Virunga Mountains. These mountains are in the Congo, Uganda, and Rwanda. All of these countries are in Africa. Only 880 mountain gorillas exist. They are very endangered. The western lowland gorilla lives in Nigeria, Cameroon, and the Congo. These 3 countries are also in Africa. There are about 95,000 western lowland gorillas. The Cross River gorilla is very rare. It lives along the Cross River. This river runs from Cameroon into Nigeria. Only 250 to 300 Cross River gorillas are left. And here we have a picture. A baby gorilla catches a ride on mom's back in Uganda. History and conservation. Paragraph 9. Gorillas have been hunted for years. They are killed for food or trapped to become pets. There are laws to protect gorillas. They say gorillas are not supposed to be sold or traded as pets, but hunters still trap them. Paragraph 10. The clearing of African forest harms gorillas. Trees are chopped down for farming. Companies also want wood. Roads are built deep into remaining forest. They allow hunters to easily trap gorillas. African countries want to protect gorillas. They have created programs to help them. One program is the Mountain Gorilla Project. They help mountain gorillas who are hurt or sick. It is one of the few programs in the world to provide treatment to gorillas. So now that we've read the article, you need to find 2 ways that gorillas are endangered. Look back through the text, and when you're writing your sentences in step 2, you need to include a transition word like one reason or another reason. You can also check the transition chart in the directions page of this assignment for more options. After you have your transition word, you need to have your keywords from the prompt or from your claim. Gorillas are endangered. One reason. Gorillas are endangered is, and you would give a 1 or 2 word at most. 1 or 2 words at most. Example from the prompt of how or why the gorillas are endangered. What's causing it? If you have any questions, I'll be in class to help you.